kasi yung iba raw, hindi ko kita yung lugar eh. Iba raw, sabi na yan mga kanina,
These are the people of Kasama Ka organization. We are waiting for the others to come. As scheduled, we are going to distribute the relief goods today. Ito na natin yung relief goods.
wala namang problema no, talaga doon na natin ibibigay, kukote, kailan po sinipa sa press niya, hindi ko na kanina. Hindi niya ibibigay pa lang yan. Kasi paano bago yung president doon?
These are the relief goods that we have packed a few days ago.
Kukunin pa niya bukas pa umaga. Tapos yung 82 families, kukunin pa yung kanila.
As you can see, the whole room is a total mess because of this.
Kung kwan, pwede schedule bukas, sundo na talaga. So ngayon, anong pwede natin? Dahil kung ibang president siya, pwede natin discuss niya.
Yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, Rocky.
Yung sinasabi mo rin kanina?
Oo, yun. That's it. That's the one.
Ano, kung kwan, decision na natin kung hindi na Caloocan yun. Hindi ka na kung Quezon City na yun.
Yeah, pero what's good there, dun sa lugar na yon,